kami na bahay dito.
Ito ba yung sense?
Yun yung sentro. What's the difference? Uy, tingnan mo yung naano mo. Huwag ka mag-feed. Dito po yata mami yung sa may Mauban, Quezon. Ilulusot nila para malapit na sa Bicol.
Ganda rito.
Bumili ka na rin ng ganyan sa center.
You sit down.
down
Look,
lang,
oh.
it's
It's
very high.
dangerous, oh.
Mami.
It's very high.
Saan lang? Oh, grabe ka.
Annoying ka kasi. Unahin mo yung
Welcome to my
video
vlog.
mo. Welcome to my vlog ka dyan. Meron ka namang ito, oh. Mas maganda
Ayoko
view
niya,
nito,
ayoko
eh.
niya maliit. Mami, hawak mo si Nika.
Hawak niya.
Hawak ko yung dalawa.
Yun na nga ba.
Wow.
Brum brum, brum brum.
Mas malakas hatak nito kaysa yung kay Dan.
Ang video mo yung...
Binibidyohan ko, masakit kaya sa kamay.
Off-road to eh. Everest. Off-road ano rin.
Oh, we're banking. Oh, look. Oh, look. Suplada ka na naman, suplada ka.
Inaantok na kasi yan, Mi.
Nasaan? Ba't tumigil?
Did it stop?
Yeah, we stopped.
Kausap siya.
Why? Why
Ano?
did we stop?
Nothing.
Ay, bakit nakikisali ka?
Suplada. Oh, look. Dito rin naliligo si Nano, Jeff.
Yata. Ganda nito pag na ano to, no? Na ano nilang daan. Pwede ka na tumagos ng Laguna.
Teka lang.
Oh, may ito na.
Okay na, pwede ko na yung
Ah,
stop. It's Gowanus Island.
What?
Gowanus
That
Island.
is it.
Gowanus Island.
Mickey.
Oh,
Where's the island? Where's the
there,
island?
there.
Where do you see the island? There's a bird. There's a big bird. Oh, there's a big bird.
Big bird?
It's flying.
Where's it?
Oh, it's flying. The black island.
Hmm.
It got better.
Oh, I see Maui. Maui on the
Oh,
top.
where, ate?
On the top of on
Ate,
the
look
top
here.
of the rock. Oh, ate, look at there, oh. Ate, oh, look.
Mickey.
Is that him?
Yeah, it's Maui. Oh,
Mickey.
there's Olaf too. You see Olaf?
Is that Olaf?
I'm going.
Is that Olaf there?
Yun.
Oh, there's the river. Oh.
See the
Hmm.
Oh, there's the river. There's the river. That's our right road to on the river.
Yeah.
Ay, stop it.
Mga kahoy, hindi.
Hindi malalim.
They're parking. They're parking there.
May bato.
Look,
Look, oh.
what?
Oh.
Look, why is there rocks? Why is there rocks? Like the beach. Why is there rocks on the beach?
See that? Oh, it's so beautiful here.
Why is there rocks?
Oh.
They're supposed to be here. Hi, Dad. Dad, you're wet now.
Yeah, wet.
Big rock.
Code?
Yes, good. Come here.
Yeah. Oh, it's a rock